Welcome to visualsmarket.com. We are a multimedia company aimed at serving you with products, services, and information for content creators, small businesses, and entrepreneurs worldwide. Today's video is on how to make the most of your Twitter ads, a proven strategy, but before we dig in, please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get our information out to more people. We really appreciate it. Now, let's dig in. How to make the most out of your Twitter ads, a proven strategy. Don't just target people you follow. You've spent a lot of time crafting your perfect Twitter account with the most engaging tweets and followers. If you want to see greater success and higher ROI, you need to rethink how you approach advertising on Twitter. Instead of throwing random posts at users in hopes they see something that interests them, you need a proven strategy that focuses on what works, so they don't ignore your ad as soon as they spot it. Make sure your headline, visuals, and copy all follow a consistent convention so your ads are easily understood. For example, avoid using bold text in your headline and copy if you want to keep your ads clear. Instead, use a smaller font, so they're the only thing people see when they scroll past your tweets. Finding followers, who also use your products and services, or sharing content related to your industry, is a great way to get new followers. This means that those people are more likely to see your ads because they're already in their networks. Targeting people you follow means your ads are also more likely to be seen by people who aren't following you. Instead, focus on targeting the people who might not yet know they want what you have to offer. You can do this by using the Twitter Audience Auditor tool, or by targeting users who don't follow your brand or products. After you have a rough idea of who you want to target, start by looking at the profiles of those who view your ads. Use this information to create a campaign that targets the people who are most likely to be interested in your products and services. If you have a location-based ad, for example, you can restrict your ads to people in that area. You can also target users who have opted into ads from your brand by using the Twitter Audience Auditor tool. Once you have followers who see your ads, keep retweets to a minimum so you don't overwhelm them with tweets. Instead, aim to have one ad per tweet that people can read from start to finish. The more ways you have listeners engaged with your ads, the more likely they are to take action on them. You can try a variety of tactics to get your followers to watch or listen to your ads, like offering prizes, creating memes or GIFs, or using images and videos. However, the best way to drive attention is with images and video. These visual cues can reduce click-through rates, but they also help your ads stand out among the rest of the content on Twitter. Location-based ads have become one of the best ways to enhance your ROI on Twitter when advertising. The location targeting feature helps you target users who are likely to have an interest in your products and services based on their current location. This gives you another way to get more engagement from your followers and make them more likely to take action on your ads. While you can use a variety of targeting options when creating your location-based ads, keep in mind you want to target people based on their current location. Twitter ads are a great way to grow your reach and start getting more content from your brand into the minds of your target audience. Instead of throwing random posts at users in hopes they see something that interests them, you need a proven strategy that focuses on what works so they don't ignore your ad as soon as they spot it. And for staying this long, we encourage you, our audience, to check out clickdesigns. Create beautiful, professional graphics in minutes. One-time payment, no monthly fees. The link is in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. If you received any value, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, go to visualsmarket.com for more products, services, and information.